together I'll hold you. I promise endure you, I thank you to far and to member of you, the president of the world. Honorable to Abuya Ilampuh Bala and Walid and Abun Kinjat Bada Allahumma gfirlahu. Honorable juries, honorable protocol, honorable my loving sister and my brother. Okay, I would like to speak to under the title to your responsibility. Ladies and gents, to my loving to speak and to matter. I deal the love to responsibility of God. Do you want to love me together? I'll hold you, I mother you to from the house. I hold you from to Darsada. I'll hold you. No, you second bill from press to. I'll hold you to help you answer. I'll hold you, meet you, and together I present to attention. Way to Mr. and mother and father to your house. Relates to your present no heart to my mother in the visa. To your responsibility, not to you, not together. Do you love me to together to responsibility of God. You messenger of the people of the present of the nation. How do you miss? Hide you, sister, my brother, my sister. No, dear love, no, dear love, no, dear love. How do you cry the big love? Ladies and gentlemen, I see you, I fed to you, brother. No, dear love, nice me together. I hug you, hey, peace to messenger. On aeration, on harmony, so kitty, you love me. I so kitty, you brother together. I follow you sister, and ex-human brother. Listen, do you love but do you love the cry? Hey ladies and gents, together we want to from to you emulation, orientation, horny orientation, hey do praise to orientation. My ladies and gents, do you speech and the life, do you school to my mother, do you money, do you love, hey sugar, praise be and you love more of yours me. How do you speak and the breather do you attention? How do you breather together? I hurt you, dear my mother. I hurt you, dear mother. Do you responsibility of God? You left me to present together of right. Hold me, you our choice of smiling all together. Praising. I hurt you to mother to be close to Allah from the messenger. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. Sadaqallahu. Present, held you, meet you. You sing out to your brother. Why did you praise be you and live into meter? Love but by Allah, now you love but you made a brother and gentle to live where the love. I together do but cry, harmony and security, and men, on the life means you. How do you preserve the present on the leisure, peace to my peace. Ladies and gents, breather. Let's stand together. I'll hurt you, deliver. You hurt tonight. How do you love me? Peace be upon you and held you to brother, to you, pour to you candy. Ladies and gentlemen, speak my love. I hope you meet your father, honey and speech, him the Lord worship and you cry. No, the cry be worship the brother. No, we can't. Okay, be reading and living it is just too injurious. I said you love to cry because love, to cry because but to you Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. To you be the mother and the leader and the scholar be to love be praised in you me. I to you likes me to brother. Second, you likes me. Orientation, men and to lie to you brother. I do present to hold you. You breathe, you love me this speaker and the vision to you. Love me but cut together and brother. No sister, no brother, no. Well, you have to, I need together tomorrow. Okay, finally I see